Are you ready to start making money with simple 2D animation videos like these? Because today I'm going to show you exactly how this works, and trust me, you don't want to miss this video. This entire video is created using 100% free AI tools, so make sure you watch till the end. First of all, take a look at this channel. Bugs Animation. If you check their videos, you'll notice they are uploading long-form content videos around 16 to 17 minutes. And as you already know, long videos have very high earning potential, especially because the RPM is much higher. Guys, this is a powerful example of animation content. I have shown you a similar type of channel before, you might remember, but this one has some differences. Now, the interesting thing is this channel uploads both long and short videos. If we talk about growth, they have only 89 videos and already gained around 770,000 subscribers, and their estimated earnings have reached around $7,000. The average video length is around 13 minutes, which again shows strong earning potential because long-form content pays more. At the same time, their short videos are also performing extremely well, some reaching 9 million, 10 million, 12 million, even 20 million to 25 million views, so both formats are working very well for them. Now guys, today I have prepared a master prompt for you. In this master prompt, everything is already included: scenes, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover, and all details. The link is in the description, you just need to open it and copy it. After copying, simply come to ChatGPT and paste it there. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will instantly generate everything for you. Scene 1 image prompt, video prompt, voiceover, editing notes, then scene 2, scene 3, and all the way up to 10 scenes. So now when all your scenes are ready, the next step is image generation. The tool we are going to use today is Flow AI. It is an all-in-one AI tool that can generate both images and videos. You will find its link in the description. After opening it first, you need to log in, which is very important. Once you log in, select the model, choose Nano or Basic. Do not select Pro because it may cause issues. Then, select the ratio 9:16. After that, upload your character reference image. You can simply take a screenshot from social media and upload it. Once your reference is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for scene 1, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. Your image generation will start, and within a few moments your first image will be ready. Then repeat the same process. Copy the character prompt first, paste it, then go back, copy scene 2, image prompt, paste it, generate, and continue this process one by one for all scenes, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, until all images are generated. As you can see, one by one, all images will start generating, and within a short time, all your images will be ready. The best part is the character will stay consistent in every image, and the results look very clean and professional. Now, once all images are ready, the next step is video generation. Then we will generate the video using the same tool. As you can see, it produces very beautiful and powerful results and keeps the character consistent in every scene. Now all our images are ready, so let's move to the final step, which is video generation. Now I'm going to give you the link in the description. Simply open Dreamina AI. Dreamina AI is an all-in-one AI tool from where you can generate both images and videos. The first step is very simple. You just need to come here and log in. After logging in, you need to turn on a VPN. Make sure you connect to a United States or United Kingdom server. This step is very important, otherwise you won't be able to generate AI videos. As you can see, I have already logged in with my VPN enabled, and you will also notice around 120 credits in your account. Earlier, this tool was completely free and allowed unlimited video generation, but now it works on a credit system. Don't worry, I will show you exactly how to use it efficiently. On your screen, you will see Dreamina Dance 2.0 Fast. This model is available, but it consumes around 70 credits, which is quite high, so we are not going to use it. Instead, there are many other models that consume fewer credits and still provide excellent results. So guys, we will use those models. Now what you need to do is select video, then scroll down and choose Dance 1.0 Fast. After that, upload the first image that you generated. Once your image is uploaded, go back, copy your Scene 1 video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. After pasting, you can select resolution and duration. Everything is simple and auto-adjustable. One very important thing, you must select first and last frame, otherwise the model will not work properly. Now click on Generate and your first video will start generating in front of you. Within 30 to 40 seconds, your video will be ready, which is extremely fast, and the quality is honestly better than many other tools. I have tested this multiple times and compared it with other tools. And this one performs really well, guys. We really need your support. We bring you free content and valuable methods every single day, but the response is very low, so please support the channel. Now, as you can see, the first video is ready and it looks very professional. The character movement, water motion, everything is perfectly aligned with the image. Simply download this video. Now repeat the same process. Upload the next image, go back. Copy. Scene 2. Video prompt, paste it here and click Generate. Again, your next. Video will start generating and within seconds it will be ready. You can preview it and see how smooth and easy the process is. This tool is extremely powerful and very easy to use. You can even generate unlimited images for free without using any credits. As you can see, the next video is also ready and it looks very clean and professional. The character movement inside water looks very realistic and smooth. Simply download it and repeat the same process for all scenes. Upload image, paste. Prompt, click Generate and continue step by step. The generation speed is very fast. You can even see the timer moving quickly, which shows how optimized this tool is. If you want, you can generate longer videos like 8 to 10 seconds, but it will consume around 125 credits, which is quite high. The good thing is that every day you receive around 120 free credits automatically, so you can easily generate 5 to 6 videos daily. Now, as you can see, another video is ready. The scene looks very beautiful with proper movement and consistency. Simply download it and continue the same workflow. If your credits run out, there is also a simple trick. Open another browser, log in with a new Gmail account, turn on VPN again, and you will receive fresh credits. Then repeat the same process. Upload image, paste prompt, and generate videos. As you can see, the final video is also ready, and it looks very professional, especially the drowning scene, which looks smooth and visually appealing. Now, the final step is editing. Open CapCut, import all your videos, and place them on the timeline one by one. After arranging them, you will notice a Dreamina watermark. To remove it, simply add a black fade transition, then merge the clips and create a compound clip. After that, scale up the video slightly and the watermark will disappear. You can also add sound effects and voiceover if you want, but even without it, the video looks great. Finally, export your video in 4K quality. So guys, today you saw how we created a complete animated video using a free AI tool. If you stay consistent and upload daily, you can build a channel like this and grow very fast.